In this video, I'm going to tell you what it means to verify your YouTube account and why it's so important. I'm going to give you 5 tips plus 1 bonus tip. And then I'm going to send you to a video that shows you exactly how to do it. And check the description and comments below for more info. Now, YouTube actually has 2 kinds of verifications, one for new channels and one for experienced channels. The first kind is for new channels, where you verify your phone number so you can get some basic features enabled for your channel. The second kind is for experienced channels, where you get a badge on your YouTube channel after you pass 100,000 subscribers. This video is about the phone verification for new channels. And if you're a marketer or a business owner, you need to verify your YouTube channel because you get access to some essential features like the ability to have custom thumbnails, which is key. You can do live streaming, you can appeal content ID claims, and you can do videos longer than 15 minutes. So you really need to get verified. Here's the tips. Tip number 1, custom thumbnails. Probably the most important thing you get from verifying your YouTube channel is the ability to upload custom thumbnails. And this is so key because if you can make better thumbnails, you can get more clicks and thus you can get more views on your video. Tip number 2, ideally you should verify the YouTube account using the phone number for the primary owner of the channel. So if you're an agency or a contractor who's verifying a client's YouTube channel, you need to just send them the link to these instructions and have them do it themselves. Tip number 3, consider which phone number you're going to use. Sometimes YouTube can use phone verification to filter out any potentially unauthorized logins to the account, such as when a manager logs in to the channel from a new location or a new device, or another team member logs in from another state or another country. So keep this in mind when deciding which phone number to use for verification. Tip number 4, now think about who's going to be leaving the company sometime in the future. And this is sort of key because if the designated manager of your business YouTube channel ever leaves the company, make sure to update the verification phone number before they leave, because you don't want to have to call the former employee later on and say, could you tell me the verification number? Step number 5, you can only verify 2 accounts per year using the same phone number. You might get a message like this when you use too many accounts in the same number. This phone number has already created the maximum number of accounts. And here's your bonus tip. Don't delete your Gmail account, your Google email address of the owner of that YouTube account before the ownership of the YouTube account is transferred to another team member. So if you have someone that leaves the company might naturally want to delete their G Suite email or Google Workspace email. And guess what? It might actually delete the YouTube account. I've seen a Gmail deletion actually delete an entire YouTube business account in the past, and it is not pretty. It is possible to get the channel undeleted, but it's not easy and it freaks out the entire company along the way. And now check out this next video where I'm going to show you actually how to verify your YouTube channel. And by the way, if we haven't met, my name is Dane Golden, and if you want to up your video marketing game and transform your viewers into loyal customers, this is the channel for you. So click that next video, it's right here. You do that and you'll be golden.